So what you can also do using DeepSeek is go ahead and write out movie scripts with the help of it. So over here in DeepSeek, you can see something like there is a boy in Vietnam who loved playing video games, but his parents didn't support him. But he got into a gaming competition anyway with the help of his friends and won a gaming tournament, and his parents then started supporting him. Write this as a movie script, just like this, in a proper scripting format. So if I were to go ahead and then send this prompt out, so I gave a story and I said for that particular content right here, write a movie script. So you can see that it says title Game On, and there's the fade in. So there's Hanoi Vietnam Day, and it says the bustling streets of Hanoi are alive with sounds of motorbike, street vendors, and the chatter of daily life. The camera pans to a small modest house nestled in a narrow alley. Then interior of a small house, living room. A young boy, Tien, sits cross-legged on the floor, intensely focused on handheld gaming console. His parents, Mr. and Mrs. Nguyen, watches him with concern from the kitchen. Mr. Nguyen whispers to his wife. He spends too much time on that one thing. So you can see that it built up all of these stories right here, and it's still actually going ahead and writing right here. So there's the gaming tournament, the day right here, and there's the final round, as you can see, just like this. And then you can see that it is simply generating out the story. And here it says, will always support you no matter what. Tian smiles, feeling a sense of validation and love, and the camera pulls back, and slowly the family unites and are happy. So that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize DeepSeek to actually go ahead and write out movie scripts as you like as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.